Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and welcome. And I have some mystery boxes from the subscription box, the Red Box of Wellness. This is a self-love journey in a box, y'all. And this subscription is a monthly subscription, and it is $38.99, and you get it on Cratejoy. I follow them on Instagram, and I get emails from them. So they sent me an email one day. I just so happened to have been in the dentist office. And you know how you're waiting for the dentist in between things, and my phone was in my lap because I needed something to look at. And this email popped up, and I hear this buzz, and it's an email, and it says, the Red Box of Wellness, today's special flash sale, everything must go. So I'm like, well, let's see what this is about, because I've been interested in the box for a while. I just haven't been able to get it. I have seen this box on a couple of my friends' channels, on Jessie Miller unboxings and more, and also reviews with Sue. And it's a great self-care box. So this is what I have here is incredible to start with. I'm going to try to show you. I ordered two. They had self-love mystery box is what it was called. And this is what it said, that they still had a few left and that they need them to go. And that the mini mystery self-love box, they've reduced it to $6.99 plus shipping. And I believe it was $9.99 before, which is a fantastic price for when you see the size of these boxes. But $6.99 plus shipping. So I was and then, and here's the best part. Well, one of the best parts, because I'm overwhelmed and I haven't even seen anything yet, y'all. It says the first person who orders a box or more will receive a regular size mystery box completely free. Now, I don't know how much the regular mystery box cost, but I was like, oh, well, I'll try to win that, so to speak. So I get this was December 9th was this day. And a couple of days later, I got 3 giant bags like this. Now this, I have cut them open because I tried to sort and see what was what. This I have not opened all the way, but I could tell it's different than the other two. So I'm assuming the other two are the mystery boxes. And look how giant this is, y'all. And smudges chewed it all up. But I had 3 of these. 3 of these all piled up. And I paid $6.99 twice. Now I did pay shipping, and the shipping was about double. So it was a little bit less than $6.99 for the shipping. So let me show you what I got. I'm not going to show you the mystery box, the large mystery box. I believe, unless they did that for everybody, I must have been the first person that ordered. And that large mystery box, I'm going to do a Jessie Miller unboxings and more. Okay, so stay tuned for that. With the holidays and all, we probably are going to do that in January. So let me show you these, okay? I cannot believe that. Look at the size of these. This is big. I was thinking $6.99 was going to be a little box like this. And I can't believe it. I just can't believe it. So anyway, both packages came with this book. I'm sorry. Look at that's a big book. It says Self-Coaching for a Renewed You. Self-Coaching Journal by MC Reyes, MS. And then there's a few different things on there. Titles. This person has a lot of titles. And this is a journaling type of a book, that'll help you self-coaching for a renewed you. So I have 2 of these books, and they're very heavy. They're it looks like there's a lot of good workbook stuff in there, to help you really help yourself. So let's see what's in these $6.99 mystery boxes. $6.99, y'all. I can't believe it. These are big. All right. Well, anyway, let me just open one and see. I think I cut them. I did. It says the Red Box of Wellness, Self-Love in a Box. And this is what it looks like on the inside. It says, thank you for your order. 10% of the proceeds of this sale will be donated to the Compassionate Hearts United Foundation Incorporated. That is, and then they give you the website of their website. Look at how pretty this is wrapped, y'all. Okay, it's in this beautiful red tissue. They have their sticker, and then they have these little dried flowers. Can you see that? Isn't that beautiful? Just the attention to detail. And this is done very, very nicely. Ooh. Let me show you again because it's super cute. There are these, there are these little, these little hearts that are falling out a little bit. Woo! These little hearts that are falling out a little bit. And this is chock full. Chock full. So this was $6.99, but I believe that the regular price of these mini mystery boxes are $9.99. So that's well worth $9.99. And I don't think they have any more of them right now, but if you get on their email list, then you'll see, you know, when they offer these. So think about that, okay? At the top, there is a card. It says meditations, and it says practice mindfully using your phone. Spend a few minutes breathing deeply with your phone in hand, ignoring it and the urges that surface. Notice any feelings or impulses you have. You know, that's something good. We are all so attached to our phones. So yeah, it's good to take a break from it. Here is their cute little card, the red box of wellness. It says, hello, darling. Dear customer, we want to take a moment to thank you for purchasing our wellness box. Your feedback is very important. They want you to go to Facebook and Instagram and, you know, to give them some feedback. Oh my, look at this cute thing. Look at this little envelope with the little hearts on it. Let me shake those off. Look at how pretty that is, y'all. I lost a nail in the process of opening these things. And inside, if opportunity doesn't knock, build a door. Milton Berle said that. Kind notes. That is beautiful. You know, that is so nice. You can put that in your child's lunch, in a friend's gift. I mean, leave it at somebody's door. Super cute. Help us fight food insecurity, animal neglect, homelessness. This is the Compassionate Hearts information. In a world where you could be anything, be compassionate. Very nice. And then a thank you card. We really hope you enjoy your self-love box. Did you know that we give back to our community? And then it talks about that again. These cute little hearts are everywhere. It says self-reflection. This is a moment of suffering. Suffering is part of life. May I be kind to myself in this moment. May I give myself the compassion I need. Kristen Neff. That's true. You know, what makes us is what we go through in life, whether it's good and bad. So that makes us. Oh my goodness, all the stuff in here, y'all. All right, we're starting off with an adorable pair of socks with reindeers on them. And I think that's Rudolph. I think I see a red nose right there. Look at how cute those are. I love them. It smells so good in here. And I'll tell you, I'm sure this is why it smells so good. This is a bath bomb, and it's lavender. You know, but it's got more than lavender going on in there because it smells sweet too. Oh, it smells wonderful. Oh, wow. And then there is this ball. This is like a Christmas ball. Let me show it to you. I've got the little things falling off of it. It's a squishy ball. This is, you know, that you can use for stress. It's some sort of foam. I don't know what kind, but it's great for stress. This is good for arthritis too. Very nice, very nice. There is a little bag of teas, different teas. Oh my goodness, this is chock full of things, y'all. Smudge is trying to come up, but there's no room over here. There is some Twinings sleep tea, chamomile, cinnamon, and vanilla. There's the Yogi brand detox tea. These are great too. And organic cup of calm, traditional medicinals. So several tea bags. Then we have some snacks. We have a crunchy roasted how do you say that? Edamame? I don't know how to say that. The beans, you know, the beans that are really good for you. This is sea salt. This is 100 calories a brand. Sometimes I can say that word and sometimes I can't. Edamame. I say it wrong, I know. And then, oh my goodness, is this a snowman? It comes unassembled. So I think these are marshmallows in here. That's so cute, y'all. It looks like little marshmallows. Well, you can't see through. I can sort of see through the bag. Looks like little marshmallows in there. There is a big choco stick, popping candy. All right, it looks like a pretzel or something. I'm not sure, but yum, yum. Oh, how cute is this? Look at this. This is for, well, now this is tall and skinny, so I think this is for, you know, the bottled drinks. coolers, wine coolers. I think it's for a wine cooler. That's what it looks like. That's adorable. There is this Village Naturals Therapy Aches and Pains Nighttime Relief Mineral Bath Soap. I wonder if I can smell that too. This box smells heavenly. There is Land O'Lakes brand. Oh, I've had these before. They are good. This is cocoa. It's salted caramel and chocolate cocoa mix. These are delicious. This makes 1 cup. There is this beautiful soap, D Beauty M, and it says natural pure handmade soap in rose. Oh, it smells really good. It's like a swirl. Can you see? It's a pretty little soap. There's some lovely eye masks. You know, I love those. There is the Dickinson's refreshingly clean cleansing cloth, soap and fragrance-free gentle skincare. There's one of those. Ooh, I love these, y'all. This is the brand Be My Lady. It's a steam eye mask. I love the eye masks. Love them. And there is Broadway brand Ultra Lip Coconut Oil Lip Gloss. That's very nice, and that's a good size to carry with you. This is, let me show it to you, and then I'm going to read what it says. It's an Eco Tools brand Clean Beauty, Clean Planet Essential Oil Clay Diffuser. Waterless and non-electric design. All right, so you just, okay, it's like a stone, but it has this, it looks like silicone around it. So you put your essential oils in here and put it like, this would be great, like right next to your bed or in your office. And it says recycle this package, remove and recycle the plastic window, and then plant me and water me. This package you can plant and water, and it's going to grow something. I almost said holy cow. And then I was like, oh my goodness, that is adorable. Oh my goodness. And then these hearts are everywhere, y'all. They're just so cute. And then there is some essential oil in here. This is Sweet Orange. Oh, I love orange. I can't see a brand because it's really tiny. But it's Sweet Orange Essential Oil. That will smell wonderful. And then there's a book in here. And all this cute, you know, the squiggly things. The Joy of Doing Nothing. A real-life guide to stepping back, slowing down, and creating a simpler, joy-filled life. So that looks really nice. This is a hardback book, y'all. And it's got a lot going on in there. Just to take it easy and rest. The Joy of Doing Nothing. And then look at how pretty everything was decorated, so pretty. That's just one box, y'all. All right, Smudge is coming around, so let me swap with him. Be right back. All right, y'all, Smudge is right there. He's in one of the boxes, and I have the second box. Now, I have no idea if this is going to be the same exact stuff, so let's take a peek and see. Okay, Smudge. It's wrapped the same way. Very beautifully wrapped, y'all. Very beautifully wrapped. And it smells fantastic again. I think it's the same items inside. Here's one of these pretty little cards. All the cards are in here. Yes, it looks like it's the same items. So this is I'm gonna not open this one because I might give this as a gift to someone. There's some fabulous stuff in here. Oh, well, let me show you because there's different things. Here's some gingerbread socks instead of the reindeer. It has, this one has eucalyptus oil in it. It has all the other same things. It has a chocolate supreme cocoa. And the bottle holder is in red instead of green, like the other one. Isn't that cute? That's adorable for people that drink that. And this natural soap is in grapefruit. I love grapefruit. And it has all the snacks, and it has the book, and it has, it has the teas. Okay, so it's all the same. So this is gonna make, I already have in mind who I'm gonna give this to for a gift. So thank you all for stopping by and seeing this fabulous mystery boxes from the Red Box of Wellness. And if you're interested in the subscription, it is $38.99 a month. And I don't know exactly what their boxes look like, but you can go look at Jessie's channel and Sue's channel to see the box in action, okay? And stay tuned in January for my collab with Jessie. And go check them out at Curate, and also look for them on Instagram. I'll put the link below for that. I should be able to share that link. And, you know, they show a lot of things on their regular Instagram that you'll see what's going on with their boxes. They show some peaks and stuff like that. So this is a real take care of yourself box. This is a great, you know, you're snowed in. This box would be fantastic, wouldn't it? Anyway, y'all, thanks for stopping by and count your blessings. Good to see you.